Welcome back. Best of the best practitioners. Best of the best practitioners of love and light who reciprocate equally on the norm. Thanks so much. Even on your bad days, you reciprocate well. Congratulations on this new level. All right. What are we doing today? Happy Easter again. Another dream card. Let's figure it out. Jesus, bonus round. What do you want for us? Let's see. To break out of our shell. And only we know what our shell is. People can, even other readers, even other psychics or whatever, people that even want the best for us. We know what our shell is. Only we know. Okay? That's why it's inverted. And that is our true hope. You know? And something about a sense of dignity here. There's also something about trimming hair. What is that all about? Well, I have to get my hair trimmed. Like, oh, it's crazy. It's crazy. But it's coming out of your cocoon, you know. 20% though. Oh, I'm sorry, 20% on there. But cutting off, something about cutting off loose ends or split ends. Something about that. Oh, cutting off the dead ends. Things that are already, like, have snapped away. So it's just, you know, self-care. It's, that's self-care. Spirit, that's what Jesus wants for us. Self-care. Breaking it out of that shell. Some special messages for today. Oh my gosh. 9 of Cups, happiness. Everybody poolside, transparent. This is the watering hole where we get to play. Everybody has their own drum. But wait a minute. There's 6 people here. And there's 9 drums. Oh, we're waiting for 3 more. So 2/3 of our team are here. 6 of Wands, victorious. That other third is coming in. It's like a pool party. I was thinking about going to the pool. Like starting to go to the pool. 6 of Pentacles. Massive reciprocation. I like that. Okay, we can do. It's taking care of each other. You see, it's a mutual relationship where one takes ownership of building. This is co-creation. You know, it's like what you rub my back, I rub yours. Oh my gosh, for reals. Aw, I love it. I'm finally... No, I'm not going to say it like that. I'm going to say thank you for the reciprocation. Okay. This rolled out. It is 7 of Swords. What? 7 of Swords. Shaman of Wands. King of Wands pronounced. 10 of Swords. Inverted or muted. Judgment. Oh, beautiful. 2 of Wands pronounced. 5 of Pentacles. Two of Cups inverted, Hierophant inverted, and Four of Cups. Okay. So I'm going to like look at the backstory and move it on up, okay? That's what I feel like, okay? Because Four of Cups is right here. It is saying that we have had a change of perspective. This is a different Four of Cups in which we're not saying like meh to others. We're saying like what's on the other side. Curiosity piques. And I find balance where I'm at with the Two of Cups here. So I'm going to see what the other Two Cups is about. Oh, it's you know, what is it? Crossing the road. Not being chicken anymore. That's what that is. But there's something about, you remember like 8 Mile? Something about like being on different side of the roads. I have a block here. I'm sorry. But it's similar to that. Instead of seeing the other side as opposition, it's crossing that road. It's just like a gap with intuitive, you know, an intuitive body between them. Another, like, it's like what's separating you is also a part of you. That's what they're saying. Because I think 90% of your body is composed of water, something like that. But it's knowing that whatever is between you two is also a part of you two. Love it. Okay. So Hierophant, inverted, it's taking that introspective vibe of, like teaching yourself. Oh, I like it. So in essence, you're also teaching others. That's the story of my life right now. Or it has been anyway, on this journey. Okay. Two of Cups inverted, finding that harmony for sure. It's reiterating the Two of Cups, starting point, and then crossing that bridge, and excellent. That's what it's saying. So Five of Pentacles. So you can do a lot with what seems to be a little, what seems to be a scarcity, what seems to be not a lot to go on. But it is, in fact, half of the 10 of Pentacles. So you do what you gotta do, just like everybody else, without like having to point the finger at anybody else saying like, you did this, you did that, or you're responsible for this, you're responsible for that. You know, karma comes around the bend and corrects paths, for sure. So we mind our own business. You know, look at the Five of Pentacles that I engaged in. You know, I brought myself to the table. You know, my ancestors taught me better, you know. And some of you, it might not be like immediate ancestors is what I'm getting, but is what I'm understanding here. But ancients. Judgment. Okay. So because of that attitude adjustment, the gestures with our world, the world wants to give us back. Give back to us anyway. So, karma shines light. 10 of Swords, the ultimate ultimatum of, like, the Deathly Hallows. I don't even know if that's the right thing to say, but that's what I was called to say. But being absolutely stabbed in the back by so many, the objective was to kill you off, to bring you down. You know what song I'm hearing? Electric Light Orchestra. Don't bring me down. Something like that. I don't know. That's funny. Okay. But because of that, karma like washing away everything. It's clearing our path, and so we are absolutely ultimately confident. We've got it going on. We have something to show for it, even if it's just ourselves, you know, because we are the origination point. So, you know, it put the horse before the cart. Yeah. Egyptian ancestry here again. So, 7 of Swords. Commonly known as deceit, but this is the most clever way to go. So do not judge a book by its cover. Do not judge a chapter by its subtitle. we're just being clever, you know. Yes, because I don't think that a fox is just there out to kill. I mean, chickens are their food source, right? Am I going crazy? So they're not really there to cause a ruckus. It's just that's just what's happening. It's 12:17. I gotta start getting ready. Actually, I'm dominantly ready. You see this little pizzazzy long skirt? It was like a two-piece for my grandma. Upon cleanup and stuff. It's cute. You don't really see it, but it's like, you see this like little attached thing here, but then like there's pockets. I know it's wrinkled, but who cares? You like it? You like it? Oh, you do. You do. I like it. It's comfortable. It's it almost gives me the like pleated pant vibe, but without it being confined to you know, up your crotch. And there's pockets, ample pockets. Who'd have thunk? Yes. It's a zip up in the back. That is very, very vintage. So, that's what I'd like to say. One other thing. I was never really allowed to wear the color green because my ex always got angry because the Boston Celtics, that was their color, and he was a Lakers fan, so it wasn't that he just hated when I would wear any, like, even on one occasion. Didn't have to have a game or whatever. Didn't have to be in season. But not only would he hate it, but it would make him angry. Like, treat me less than. Insane, huh? So this is liberation. This is new life. This is from my grandma. So it's not just styling, physically, but energetically, for sure. Okay. I like it. My grandma likes it. I don't think she ever wore it because I put it in the wash. And it dyed some of my clothes on the warm setting. Okay, what decided to hit the box? Priestess of Cups. So that's the Queen of Cups. In reverse. Why did I get the Queen of Cups in reverse? I think that's... Oh, the Queen of Cups is green. What? So it's looking at loving self objectively. Like, I can have compassion for myself from way back when. Like, I am wearing green right now. I'm not green with envy. I'm not, like, jealous that I should have, like, known better. Like, you know, jealous of my current self. Knowing that I should have, you know, thought more of myself than to let somebody's preferences and lack of control hinder me and dictate even the choice of clothing. I had to, like, pack up all the greens. I had to select, in my drawer, I was very, like, organized, and I would have everything color-coded and, you know, sleeveless, you know, short sleeve or whatever, long sleeve, all of that, and color-coded. And I had to take out all of the greens, all of the shades of greens. It was insane. Insane. But anyway, that's funny. This whole card is, like, strewn basically in green. That's hilarious. So I don't think that this is like a lack of confidence. It's more of seeing back then I did. Did I flip her? No. Okay. We're gonna kind of cut this short. It's 12:22. Gotta hurry up. Plus, I only have 20% battery on the phone. Where did I put the other cards? Okay, there. Ace of Swords. That's the truth. That's all. And nothing but the truth. So help me, Jesus. That's excellent. I love it. Oh, and the butterfly's there. The butterfly has landed, but it's showing its full wingspan. Oh, I love it. So good. Okay. That's crazy. So, we're now in a position of happiness, for real. Six of Cups muted or inverted. This is kinship vibes. This is a kinship where, like, you're not forced to hug and make up. This is, your true soul family. Because of this, like, understanding of truth and placement and perception and the enhancements of reality in a way that's, like, organic, the comprehension levels have brought us to the state of, like, energetic, a wholesome energetic body, which allows for attracting our kin. Like, we're in prime condition. Like, spirit has, I know grooming is not, like, the most, like, wonderful word, especially in these days, but back then, it was like you're groomed for a position. You are being mentored for a specific role, a specific reality. And so, like, the divine has groomed us to attract that which, also brings the same quality to the table. I love it. I love it. Yeah. That's closer. Okay. Anything else, Jesus? Okay. So we have the Eight of Wands pronounced to Five of Cups. Things that we're saying goodbye to. Goodbye. I'm hearing in French. Oh, don't get upset. I'm just. What is it? Oh gosh, how do you say? Oh. It's not au revoir. You don't pronounce the R. It's like oh. You know what I'm talking about. I forget. A long time ago, a person from France, like a foreign exchange student, he would go, Mistina, trying to, like, imply that, like, a mistake or something. He was just being, but I remember as a group, we would, like, play pool together, and he would correct me on how to say, like, au revoir or something like that. I don't know how. I forgot how his teaching and how to say it was he did that well. But I haven't said it in a long time, so I just know you're not supposed to say the R. Pronounce it. Okay, so this is absolutely like, this is like the most of what Jesus wanted to say. As far as saying goodbye, it's like you say goodbye to one reality in order to, when you open up the door, it's just etiquette. It's just common etiquette with changes. Goodbye to the old, and then, like, hello to the new. And it's doing it with grace, not like see ya, wouldn't want to be ya, or or laters. Not even that. We're more thoughtful with our words. And therefore, at core, our energy. Say goodbye. Okay. Moving forward. Hello. Hello, everybody. Oh, it's the executive decision. No, it's not the executive. It's the chief level decision. Taking absolute ownership. It's like Xena Warrior Princess on the top. Did you see that? Accentuated. I can't, I'm hearing the warrior cry in my head. It's ecliptic. Goodbye. Hello. There's 4, 5, 6 people down below. It's her crew. Interesting. So this is also the 7 of Wands right here, having the higher ground. It's super powerful. I mean, when you look at that, 16 being the Tower moment is 7 in numerology. So, like, seeing that, that's a Master Revolutionary right there, Master number 77. That's crazy. It's crazy. Top of the deck. Right, it's supposed to be accentuated like that. Okay. Top of the deck is Daughter of Swords, Page of Swords. We're all learners here. Yeah, it's coming from different perspectives. We see an Odin stone coming through. It's just like natural wind creation. The power of thought is the power of... Right, the power... Something about the power of thought leading to the power of vision. Yeah. Interesting. Okay. Midpoint. What do we have? Oh, 4 of Swords inverted or muted. Okay, we've talked about that before. Okay. And 7 of Cups pronounced. Yeah, it opens up doors to opportunities. I'm hearing that path. That's like a direct linear path. You know, like how everything like connects together, but the path of actually integration isn't as straightforward. Yeah, that's what they're saying. Okay, already. So, we are going to do some bananagrams. IRG. One fell under my bed. Y. In front of me, X. I don't know why it's like that. Okay. IAQGAAEEOQVTEM. So we have any names here? We have Meg, Game, OG, TV, Ray, but it's RAE. Garrett, but with only one R and one T. Okay. Greet. We're about to be greeted. Okay. Gate. Oh, greeted at the gate. And vetted. Yeah. Okay. Marge. Maria, Greg. Maybe the first or second time we've seen Greg here. I keep seeing ogre. O-G-R-E. I don't know. Okay, so greet. Greet. And then gate. Excuse me. Exam. Oh, we passed the exam for sure. I feel like this is the final exam. But like, yeah, this is the final exam. I mean, this was a true test of time for Jesus too. And his followers. Okay. Okay. Wait, what is it? Exam, right. For sure. Okay. I told you, I did part of the exam. I mean, like, I was part of the exam writers. That's funny. And then the exam was like almost like a motion picture because they have MOV, like the file format. Yeah, most definitely. Very personal. GQ. What? Gentlemen's quarters. 2 GQs here. What? Is that who I'm attracting? That is from the gentlemen quarters? Gentlemen's quarters? I don't know. I mean, that's what it looks like. Holy smokes. Okay. What? Okay, let's entertain that for a second. But twice? Like, that's crazy. Crazy. Okay. So. No, you know, like. Oh, no, wait, that's different. Okay. I have Maya. We don't always get Maya here. Oh, and Mia. Ari. Remy. Rome. Amari. Trey. Terry. Army, but it's like a very like cultural name. Okay. All right. Gia. Okay. Excuse me. Ava. Mm-hmm. Okay. Is there any other way that I can work with this? There's exit. Government. I mean the abbreviation for it anyway. Ave Maria, that's interesting. Okay. I like that song. I just realized how it sounded again. I don't know when they play it. I don't know if it's like during a funeral or something, but like it's a different vibe. It's a very touching song though. So air, importance of our thoughts and the flow of the intangibles, how that carries leaves, seeds, and debris, kind of like washes away as well. So the quality of air as well. It's talking about that. Our quality of our breaths, and something about it being in high altitude, where we have to maximize our vehicle, like our lung capacity. We adapt in order to be adopted into that way of life. So it's healthier for us because there's something about your blood cells working at a higher capacity without being strained per se. It's like the quality of your like your immune system, something about that being like upgraded, being within that realm. Okay. Two places I can put yeah. Maybe I'm supposed to get a song from the Yeah Yeah Yeahs. Yeah, there's like 3 places where I can put yeah yeah yeah. I'm also hearing like she loves you, yeah, yeah, yeah. With a love like that. Something, you know, you should be glad. Huh? That's the Beatles right there. Okay. Okay, so so then we have QA. Oh yeah. QA, that's quality assurance, but also the Q&A for air. And then we have, oh, I forgot, we still have that Y. So then, GQ could go on greet or gate, but I feel like it should go at gate because I feel like we have some Freemasons here, but the IQ of the people that are involved at this level are super smart, because we have it shared with IQ to top it off. So that's interesting. Oh, I am going to be seated at the table of such company. Excellence. I knew it. I just know. That's why I don't have a lack of confidence within that realm. I told you. I don't know. I don't see myself as any less. I know myself not to be any less. Okay. We still have Y here. I think that's the divine feminine. If you're looking at the witch's runes, that's the sacral chakra right there. Most definitely. So I have successfully blended both territories. I'm trying to find if there's any other way where we can put some of these things. Oh, Y. The womb. Okay, I kind of like it like that. Okay, because there's a divine feminine that can be reached within all, regardless of sex, regardless of even being transgender or whatever. That there's. Let me just show you. Okay. So looking at that, we have the sacral chakra, and then that round piece looking like, it's almost like being seated. So that's with like our personal identity. So that is our solar plexus chakra. And so this is passing the exam, like being greeted at the gate by an exclusive parties that have high intelligence. This is a divine masculine, quarters of. This is funny because this is knowing that there's a balance of divine masculine, knowing that there's divine feminine within. So very much intelligent, and because the divine masculine is action oriented, so on like the doing side rather than receptivity, but they are greeting at the gates, you see. And they've already instead of just testing the waters, but they've primed, conditioned the atmosphere. So we've passed the exam, because we're right at the gates by default. That means that we've passed this personal exam, and this is identifying the divine feminine merged with the identity of what we're seated with, which is our all the signifiers of the solar plexus chakra. I mean, that alone is a signifier for the sun. Yeah, very much. That was confirmation right there. So, thank you very much for your from my sponsors and my supporters. Thank you so very much. All donations provided in light and love, excuse me. And so, if you like what I do, if you would like to continue or begin supporting what I do, what you can do is ... If you're on Instagram, if you find me on Instagram, just click on the link in my bio. That'll lead you to my YouTube page, and you can check out the bio there or be intuitively guided to any one of those additional videos. Within that description box, you will find a massive amount of helpful information. You'll find my Venmo there, as well as the playlist and angel numbers that you can't miss out on those. I know sometimes it's a little hard to scan through, but it's so worth it, let me tell you. It's so worth it. Yeah, I think that's the deal maker for me on that. So, special props to Archangel Sandalphon and Archangel Gabriel for your team play on helping me divine those. And also being kind of incognito about it, because for a long while I didn't know it was you too. I'm sure there are others instrumental in the process. They like that pun. Okay. I did. I think they gave that to me too. They're funny. Okay, so I think that's it. So now that this reading is officially over, upon closing all portals, I send all energies back to their origination points outside of my energy, out of my vibe. Thank you so very much for respecting all of the obvious in advance. And so, I send y'all back to your locations with your appropriate karmas due, helping initiate its sequence, its force, its righteousness, its belonging. There we are. Send you all back in light and love. I close all portals.